I have to change a blower motor in this Kia Soul. It's buried up under the dash. Up in there, I got to remove the brake pedal and the gas pedal. And I want to show you the light that I'm using. This light's made by Goose-Grip. This is a 12-inch long LED stick that puts out 1300 lumens of light. And it's mounted on a very powerful magnet that you almost need two hands to separate it, and a stainless steel swivel that allows articulation unlike any other light that you've ever used. And the light stick is powered by a battery that a lot of mechanics already have, a Milwaukee M12 battery. And we have this housing that can store the battery. This housing's more than a year old, and it has since been updated because as you beat it up, it was developing cracks, and the new housing is beefed up and it won't crack. But I'm going to take this light and I'm going to mount it like in the door jamb, like right there. And it ain't gonna fall. Those magnets are really strong. And I'm gonna take the light. Well, first let me turn the light on. It's daytime, but it's not gonna be daytime under there. I'm gonna turn the light on. And for my purposes, where I need to see is, for now, is the bolts that hold the gas pedal on. So I'm gonna take the light stick, and I don't have to mount it anywhere, but I could take it and just mount it like that. It's barely hanging on to some metal in there, but it's really strong. And I'm going to take out those bolts. Anyway, this is the Goose-Grip swivel stick work light. This is $149.99 on goosegrip.com. If it ever breaks, I'll send you the parts to fix it. The only thing I won't pay for is shipping. But lifetime warranty on it. It doesn't matter what happens to it. I don't care if you drive over it. But if you do break it, I'll send you the new part. Whether you broke the housing or whether you broke the light stick, you will reuse that expensive piece of aluminum right there and the expensive swivel assembly. Although if you broke the swivel assembly, I'd change that out too. Anyway, it's an expensive light to make. The cost of the raw materials is kind of high until volume goes up and I can get the price down. But this will be the last work light that you will ever want because it's stealthy, it's thin, fits in behind things, and because it doesn't carry a battery. But unfortunately, it does carry a wire, but the wire doesn't get in your way. I'm doing this 40 years. I don't care that there's a wire here, but some of you youngins are sold on that crap that it has to carry a battery. Well, it kind of is. It's just that the battery's remote mounted in a housing that's out of your way. That way you can make the light be all light stick. And you can move it on the fly. You know? 12 inches long, 1300 lumens, and it's not regular LEDs either. They're high color rendering index, greater than 90. Sunlight is 100 for reference. This is greater than 90. And you're going to love it. It's going to blow away any flip light you have, that's for sure. Just live with the wire, okay? And look for it, goosegrip.com. Isn't sold anywhere else. No third-party sellers. Couldn't possibly afford that. There's not enough margin. Goosegrip.com. Buy it. You won't regret it. I'm out.